Opposition Senator Risa Ontiveros says she is confident that Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial will move forward in the 20th Congress following delays.
Hindi po natigil o napatay yung impeachment trial. Buhay na buhay at nagpapatuloy po ang trial na ito.
Asked about the trial's potential timeline, Ontiveros says it is too early to call, with the impeachment trial still in its infant stage.
Hindi ko pa matimbang yung 3 months na trial calendar na na-anticipate ng presiding officer kasi in fact, yung isa sa mga unang pwede pang gagawin ng senator judges ay yun na nga, i-plot yung aming trial calendar.
The impeachment trial against Duterte, who faces allegations of corruption among other charges, has been delayed twice since the House impeached her on February 5. Although the complaint was transmitted to the Senate on the same day, the upper chamber took no action. The Senate remanded the impeachment articles to the House on June 10. Summons have been issued to the Vice President. On Monday, June 16, her defense lawyers formally entered their appearance through the Senate Secretary, acting as clerk of court. Ontiveros says the Senate should follow the Constitution and hold a trial to hand a verdict.
This really matters. Kasi kung hindi po tayo susunod sa ating konstitusyon, kung hindi po gaganap ang Senado sa isang pinakamataas na tungkulin niya, kung hindi didinigin ang mga ebidensya, mga testigo tungkol sa issue ng accountability ng pangalawang pinakamataas na opisyal ng ating gobyerno, paano natin ilalagay sa ayos yung mismong gobyernong iyon?